Okay, so this is the experiment 1 electrical measurement. So we do the experiment, we compare the analog and digital for the first experiment, and second one, we determine the resistance using the Wheatstone bridge, and we compare the accuracy. So this is the apparatus we use, and then for experiment 1, we connect the circuit in parallel, and then we determine the value of resistor before we connect it in the circuit. And this is the example lah. Yeah.
到这边这边吗？
So yeah, we measure by using the emitter, and then we calculate the theoretical value, and we measure the value, the voltage for each component, and then we also use the voltmeter to measure the voltage and current, and we compare them in a table, and we found that the error of the digital were less than the error of the analog instrument. So we can decide that the use of the digital instrument is more accurate than the analog instrument. This is based on our observation. And for the second experiment, we insert the potentiometer, this one, and we connect the resistor like just now. So we measure the resistance of the minimum and maximum of the potential, and then in balance condition, and also for the bridge and the potentiometer, we use the digital method, and we calculate by using the theoretical value, and we found that the use of the Wheatstone bridge is accurate also, because just only 0.44% of the percentage error compared to the theoretical results we get is two. Okay, so this is the comparison of part A and part B. For part A, we use Kirchhoff voltage law and Kirchhoff current law, and for part B, we use the Wheatstone bridge. And we found that digital multimeter reading show the closest agreement compared to the analog multimeter to measure the value of the voltage and current. And for this one, we found that the resistance value is closely matched with the theoretical value by using this Wheatstone bridge. So in conclusion, we found that the method of to measure the current and the voltage by using the digital is totally suits the value of the theoretical result we get, and the error may be due to the parallax error, because the readings you read on by using the analog multimeter may be differ compared to the digital multimeter, which shows more accurate result. And for Wheatstone bridge, we normally will get the accuracy which is higher to determine for the resistance measurement. So this experiment highlights the importance of proper instrument. That means the instrument we use, the correct one, to measure the measurement, to measure the result of the voltage and current. so that we get the less of the error. That means will give the results which is more accurate lah. So this is the end of the experiment lah. I think that's all. Thank you.